So in previous tutorial we just saw how to create a customer. Now like I have to retrieve my customer. Suppose I created a customer, I want to retrieve. So what I have to do here? So for retrieving customer, I want to just comment this all lines. Okay. Next we have to retrieve our customer. So just use customer. Okay. And customer give like a, okay, you can give any variable and whatever you need. Then just use customer dot retrieve. So if you give here retrieve, it will ask ID. So I'm just going to give the previous ID because I need to identify like all things. Okay. Then okay. So what will happen? Suppose you want to print here. Definitely, what we'll do? Some people can give here A. Okay. But if you run here, it will give the object. After that, we cannot see all details. Okay. See, it will directly give you the object of this form. Here it also seeing like .com stripe model, something like ID, and then it's showing into JSON format. So it's better like if you want to print in the form of JSON, we can use easily Google JSON. Okay, so just use JSON equal to JSON, then use new JSON builder. Dot create. So what will happen? It will create a JSON. Now you have to pass. So you have to also import the JSON here. Now what we'll do? We'll just use this one a dot to JSON, and you have to pass your object model. Now what I will do? I will run. If you run this program, it will give a JSON format, but it will not perfectly give into the form of like pretty. Pretty means like you can see here, it is a JSON format, but it's coming like in a straight line. So what you have to do? You have to nothing do so much. So just use JSON builder dot set pretty. Set pretty printing. Okay, then dot use create. So what will happen now? Just run. You will see. Then it will take some time to retrieve all the data from Stripe, and you can see now we got this whole data in the form of perfectly JSON model. Okay, see customer ID, it is customer. Okay, currently balance that a customer having 0. Then email ID, live mode, all things what we have seen earlier. If you go to the Stripe, and you can see earlier what he having this detail, we are also getting here. So in next video we will see how to add the card.